My Gerda, leave I don't have my Gerda here. Oh my God!
No, I got that on video.
Oh! Oh!
Stop acting yet.
What's going on?
Don't you touch me! Call the police, it's my own problem. You touch me! Why
The queue,
you
is it
touch
about
me?
the queue?
No, I think they want to buy stuff and they want to.
Sorry?
They want to buy some stuff.
Why are you recording? Why are you recording? Why are you recording?
Don't touch me.
Stop recording me. You're an
No, she's
idiot.
recording because apparently I touched your mum, so it's fine.
I got that.